Binance Coin prepare for a significant move because open interest increased by 18%, and often after such significant open interest increase, we face significant moves. The most important question whether to take trade. Before, I want to show to you a trade that we took within our community, which I show on 5th of May, where I told our community to take a long trade because there was open interest spike. At this moment, we already closed part of position. And what was the reason? Because you can see there was this open interest spike. At that moment, open interest increased by 75,000 contracts. At this moment, as you can see, this story continue, and we have open interest acceleration. And at this moment, the most important question, how far move can be, where we can take trade. Before I tell you, I ask you to push like and subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on my public Telegram, because as you can see, I show to you only accurate signals that will help you make money on the future. Never miss them. Just right now subscribe. Coming back to BNB, what you need to remember. Open interest increase, it's not always a guarantee that there would be significant move, because as you can see at this moment, price at this important key level, and it's super important to see what price would do the next, because sometimes even aggressive open interest increase could end up with big stop loss hunt. That's a reason why with my team we prefer to take trades at VWAP after some pullbacks. Even this example on Dogecoin, I also, as you remember, recorded yesterday Dogecoin update. Where was the best place to take a trade? As you can see, not at a moment open interest rise, but always at VWAP retest, because in that case our stop loss is tiny and potential reward in many times bigger. The same on BNB. What would be my advice for all of you, my friends? At this moment, it's a little bit too late to take a trade because price at second VWAP deviation. If you take a trade right now, your minimum stop loss must be below 0.5 VWAP deviation, which is 6.6%. With BNB volatility, it's a lot, because even to take 1 to 3, you need a massive move, which BNB create rarely. What is my recommendation at this moment? Before I tell you, once more, remind to you that you can get my open interest indicators that I created, where I aggregate data from best exchanges. Here would be this link, get my open interest indicator, open this Telegram bot, and there would be all details. Do it right now. Coming back to BNB, first option, it would be if price create pullback to VWAP, it is honestly would be the best option. Key area at this moment for potential long would be around 652. In that case, stop loss could be 2.6% below 0.5 VWAP deviation, also this local swing high, and first target 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, which also would be this imbalance. Second target in that case could be possibly next imbalance, which is here. It is around below 800. Regarding BNB, just remember one important step. We had this massive move down, we had this massive downtrend, and on BNB at this moment, key resistance of this entire downtrend would be, let me show it to you, key resistance at around 800 USD. Also, it would be around this VWAP. POC plus VWAP, it is a key resistance of this entire trend. Honestly, there are a lot of space for price to make a move. That's why at this moment, don't take risky trades, because once more at this moment, risk to reward ratio is horrible. Plus, most of this open interest entered at high, and there's significant chance that there would be for start stop loss hunt before actual move. Regarding another option, it could be the same as I showed inside our community on Ripple. We also took quite a lot of trades on Ripple recently. And you can see that on Ripple, what I recommended to our community, open interest, keep adding, take a trade. And here you can see my idea was if price fix out of value, create local consolidation, we can take a trade. Why something like this? Because once more, before you don't know what market makers would do with open interest. Sometimes they can do something like this, as you can see, local stop loss hunt, and only after that they move. That's a reason why at this moment on BNB it's a little bit risky to take a trade. First option here, and second option, let me show to you also a second option. It is if price break out of this level and start consolidating at least several days above area where most of open interest entered, I will use low of that area as continuation. Best confirmation it would be that VWAP would migrate and also would become dynamic support. What could invalidate all of these ideas? Only if price break below VWAP and consolidate. In that case, all these lot ideas would be cancelled. What you do right now, once more, you push like, subscribe, and right now I prepared for you powerful masterclass where I show to you all my setups that I use together with open interest, because you need to know how to use it during different market environment. Watch it and understand how to make money with that. Have a nice day.